For more than 40 years, Mark Munch Bishop has been gracing the airwaves as a radio host, talking all things sports.
Mark Munch Bishop with your friend, we need to talk.
But last year, his career almost came to an end.
I was losing my voice. I'd lose my voice like a day or two every other week.
Concerned, he went to Cleveland Clinic to get checked out and discovered he had a polyp on his vocal cord, which would need to be surgically removed.
And so we had to go to a pre-test to make sure to see what kind of anesthesia I could handle and things like that. When she gave me had the throat surgery, and lo and behold, throat surgery turned into open heart surgery.
Munch says during the exam, a nurse practitioner noticed something unusual with his heart, so further testing was conducted.
So we get an echocardiogram. It doesn't look quite normal. So then he gets a heart catheterization, which, to all of our surprise, since he had no symptoms, showed a blockage in the main artery on the heart.
Munch was in disbelief.
It hit me pretty good, but at first I was a little ticked off. Saying, no, this can't be happening.
But he realized it was a matter of life and death.
I was never worried at all about having the operation, that it would fail.
And he was right. Dr. Nicholas Madeira says the more than 6-hour surgery went well.
So the bypasses are fairly straightforward, but we had to do an operation where we replaced his aortic valve in the entire aorta. It's a big operation.
Munch is now back at work, once again talking all things sports.
Let's talk some baseball, friend.
Forever grateful to the nurse practitioner who first noticed something was wrong. He says without her, he probably wouldn't be here today.
She, in fact, saved my life, and I'm indebted to her for as long as I'll be around.
For Cleveland Clinic, I'm Brittany Harris.
Baseball Owners and Union